Wait lang, Jess. Iya ko sa manok. Iya ko sa manok. Ging pabalik ako sa manok. Okay, where's the gate? Where's the gate?
Libit lag.
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Kauna ni kita. Dala ko ay mamatay na. Imagine mo mamatay gali ako sa bear trap. It's locked. What do you want from me?
So, alin the purpose sa pagpatay? Tag statue para sa to.
And the statue. An old statue in the shape of a bear. Growl. Find your car and escape. Find where to use the bear statue. Parang the objective natin.
Kailangan natin usuin the car?
What? Oh no. What will happen just kung mamatay ako? Does it start to... Oops. Does it start all over again? No! I don't wanna do this anymore. Oh! Wow.
Search nga niya ako.
Wait. Paano kung say down ta just?
Doon tayo nalungkot.
No, like, di ba may pinakita okay mo? Nga tunnel. Oh my god, kubabot ang nagguwa.
You wanna close the door?
Why? I'm gonna lose a lot of ammo dito. My friend, my almost. Paano kung di ka ra? No, it's locked from the other side. Oh my god, I have no ammo, just. I have no choice but to stake my fear of the darkness. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is there anything here? No, no, no.
Hey, Jonah!
Ha?
Nag-search ako.
Alin?
Diba nakuha na itong tag bear nga.
Yes, yes. I got the bear
sa
statue.
car.
Yes.
Kailangan mo i-replace sa bird.
Oh, the bird.
Para ma-unlock natin do kids room. Tagatong sa idagom.
Okay, okay.
Ay, kids room.
Which?
Basta may unlock ko sa kids room.
Alin yung statue ang baylohon?
Tapos, tag bear.
Which
I-change
statue?
Sa bird.
Sa bird? Okay, eagle.
Bird. Tapos, wait lang. Atong tayo, pwede tayo mabuksan tag sa ilaw.
I can't. I got the bird. Wait.
May ano
Oh!
ano alive? Kulira.
Jess, I am currently stuck. Stuck a douche.
Kulira. Kasi ba kailangan natin magsudig ko.
Hello? Oh my god, why? Done! I heard it. Narinig ko just. I can't. I have nothing. Skadoo.
Baby ako daw. Oh my goodness.
Jess, I'm scared. Look. Oh. Nandito na ako, Jess.
Kasi,
Mama's been really unwell the past couple days. She says it's just a cold and she'll be well. Sakit ang lalamunan. And she'll be well again once it warms up. Me and Jackson went bug hunting in the garden. It's fun. I caught a grasshopper. Jackson caught a rat hiding in an old boot. Jackson says he won, but a rat is not a bug, so he lost. Aw. What's this? Mga diary, tara.
may nakita kang susi or alin.
Oh god, Jess, I cannot do this, Jess. Why did I do that, Jess? Aray. Jess, may trap? Malapit sa sa key. So medyo lugi ako.
Hmm?
Lugi ako.
Gari ka na, may nakuha ka.
Dahil kita mong screen, Jess. Kita mo ron, no? Roy nga bear trap. I'm dead. Ala, buhay ka, Jess?
Yes.
Upstairs,
Gulat
Jess.
din ako.
Upstairs, Jess.
I seen the bear.
Bukas niya. Durong pewan akong habudoki. I'm dead. Bukod ikaw, Jess. Diretso.
Wait.
Why? Jess, you're gonna
Bago
die.
di para
Ang ging ubra ko, ging avoid ko malang sanda. Ngay, nakasuda ko. Avoid lang sanda.
visit.
Mas babo sa taas, pero mas better nga i-avoid mo lang sanda. Avoid. Do not worry. Left.
I see the again.
Left. Karon. Diretso lang. Ano mo sanda? Karon. Keep going. Karon. Agto sa stairs. Kaya mo bang i-take the hit do bear trap? Yeah, kaya mo sandang i-avoid. Left. Sa duha. Karon. Sa duha. Sud.
Wait lang.
Jess,
Wait
you're
lang,
gonna
lag ako.
die. You're gonna die.
Lag ako.
Right there. Dahan, may bear trap. I died. Kaya mo bang i-take a hit? Take a hit.
Shit.
Sacrifice mo yung health.
Hindi ako kaya.
I don't know. I-drop mo abing an item. Malapit ka sa Kaya ba yan? I-drop mo yung sabilong item. Malapit sa
Yan, hindi.
Hindi. No. Pila lang i-health.
44. Hit man.
Try mo lang. Take a hit. Maglayo. Try mo lang. Take the hit. Okay. Take it. Take the Alin sa note?
4 lang. Carry. Di carry da. Pag masublang ko mga aswak.
Alin do note? Nakabutang. Pakibasa,
Ay,
please.
sus.
Mahaba ba?
Kita mo ba?
No.
Ay na, the Lord's plan.
Gahaba. Anyong key ron? Which key ba yan? It could be sa sa may sunflower.
Sa may
Sunflower nga to.
naglag pag ita. Di na ako kakaya. Basi mamatay ako.
No, do not worry. We can do this. Follow your heart. Wag mag-agto di karon. You can do it, Jess. Left. Go, diretso. Right. Left, right. Go, Jess. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh! Kita mo to, Jess?
Kita mo yun?
Yes, I saw that. A woman. It's their
Ay,
mother.
shit. Mali.
It's their mother. Wait.
Ano? It's in the kids room.
Haron. Haron, Jess. Yay. Wait for me, Jess. Wait for me, please.
Wait. Wait ka yun?
Ala. Sinta ko ging padpad. Jess.
Namig ka lang.
Wait lang, Jess. Iya ko sa manok. Ging pabalik ako sa manok. Ah! Save me! Wait lang, Jess.
Four lang ang tayo. Four lang.
4 lang. Wait for me. Papunta na ako dyan. I'm also stuck. Where am I? Sing ka nga ni Jess? Sa idawom.
Kids room.
Okay. I'm on my way. Wait for me. Kung siinta ako ging teleport. Hello, monster. I'm coming, just. Nandito na po ako. Hello. May barn key, oh.
Karon yun. Wait lang. Luna.
The problem is... Avoid lang.
Weirdo.
Dito, just follow me. Come. We have to...
Close.
Okay, close it. Be careful, just there's a cow. There's an airplane. At kiliti yun ang paa. At ang kamay. Sindo barn key.
Dapa? Ayun, namatay.
Wait lang. Wakot healing. I have no item. Hello? Is there an item? Oh my god, I cannot read this. It's too long. Jess, you died. Praise our Lord. I think Raido ay just naging... Jess, naririnig ko ang puso. Or is it a plant? Hello? Is anybody there? I have no ammo. I am currently useless. Hello? I found the car key, Jess.
May car key.
Teleport ka na ba? Buhi ka?
No.
Oh. Wait lang. Ano ko na eh. Na. Kiliti just ang kamay. Just saying.
Aron do car.
Oh, wait.
Yun na to. May alit to. Ito pa sa kabila.
Haman. Suspicious car.
Ay, di pa play?
Hindi. I must come back for you. Wait lang.
Kailangan.
Wait lang, just I'm coming back for you.
Hindi na heal.
Oh, God.
Just little times.
Kiliti ng kamayay. Di ko mahuwag just ang pinggis. Ano meaning karon?
Wala naman, hit lang.
No, I'm gonna die.
Scar.
I can't live without everyone in the car. Just need ko mamatay. Need ko mamatay para makaspawn ka. Aba. Mayad sanda. Just kiliti mo ta Diyos ang kamay. Hindi ko tagad maramdaman yung fingers ko. I repeat. Bird, kill me.
I suspect.
It takes time to kill me. As in yung, di ba akong pingi, tapos akong sambilog ng kamay, di ko ta mahuwag, just, I repeat, di ko ta gid mahuwag.
Anak ka. Yung narinig mo pa ako.
Yes, narinig ko pa ikaw.
May music.
Okay lang. Pas ko lang ilimog, parang gasinggit coating. Alert, sino kakantay? Haron yun, okay na kamay. Medyo. Just na-adlock ta ako just kasi ma-copyrighted tang. Copyrighted music. Hello? Wait lang. Alinda?
Sino ka?
Barn key yun, just we must run. We must run. Ignore the mga chicken. Kung hindi, just mag-run ka in the other side. We'll meet in the the barn. Oh.
Actually, chicken din.
Just! Oh god, just I have nothing to save you. And I must die too. No. Jess, ayaw mo bang ma-win? Need to avoid them. Aray. Wait lang, may plano ako. Wait lang. Ako lang do mag-run sa barn. Then, balik rin ako chemo para itaon ko rin chemo do medkit. Mag-wait ka lang rin una.
Piling, naifay.
Puno. Let's do it again. From the top. Wait, pwede ko i-check ang inventory. Pila gid man ang health ay. Full gid man ang health. 120. Mag-wait ka na lang rin outside sa barn. Para taong ko rin chemo do medkit. Okay, let's go. Sprint. Do not forget to sprint.
Baka basing matay.
Chicken. Jess, they're coming for your hair. Lapit lang to, Jess. Ikusin nanday yung Stay lang rin ikaw sa barn. Stop, 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 stop. Don't worry, I will come back for you, Jess. Do not worry. Do not worry, Jess. I will come back for you. Depende. Ito na ba? Ito na ba yung the end? Ay, salamat. Kailan lang just sing help? Just saying.
4.
Balik, balik, balik dito, Jess. Huh? Drop. As in 4? Pilawon. Okay. Okay, wait na lang tayo. May ammo ka ba ba? At least patch ng kahit sa bilog. Alright. Run! Ah, Jess, you made it.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Driver's seat. I must go to the driver's seat. Take the meds. Or am I? Take the meds. I'll take it. Just in case. We must leave.
Oh yeah.
Jess? Oh my god. It's
Need some
William.
help with that?
Aray.
Jackson, get off your lazy behind and give me a hand. My knee hurts. I've been chasing that
It's
damn
never end.
baseball hat guy around all day.
I'm not asking.
What? You didn't think it'd be that easy, did you?
Hello, Jess.
We haven't even gotten to the main event! Now, I'll be honest, I am seriously impressed. I didn't think you'd make it past the pig.
I didn't think you'd make it out of the first room.
I guess you've been wondering what this was all for. After many failed attempts and experiments, most of which you've had to face to get here, we have finally given Mama the body she truly deserves.
It's their mother's
And with the help of the
head.
Lord's gift, we will be fully reunited with her once again.
It's their mother. Oh my god.
We're gonna be a family again. No more living down in that dark basement, Mama. You can sleep in William's bed.
My bed? What's wrong with her bed?
It's got growth on it, William. Mama doesn't want to sleep in that.
Well, why not your bed?
'Cause that's where I sleep.
Well, you can sleep in the barn. There's a ton of rats in here. You'll feel right at home.
Jess, may amo pa ba ikaw? No, please. I am too young to die.
Mama?
Makita, ano na itsura?
Wait, black screen ba? You know? Oh no! Oh no!
Makita.
No! Ah, guys! Just get away, get away, get away. My goodness, what do we do here? It's locked! Brothers, do something.
Nadugod to.
No. I have nothing. Only the medkit.
So far,
Wait, wait. Alin, Jess, Alin. Come here. This way. That's it. I see the sign. This way. Take it. Jess, agtunin mo yan. Sige, sige. Okay, okay. You must. Jess, ano tang gusto ikaw?
ay, hindi ko siya gusto.
Dito! Dali mo siya dito! There! Yan yung solution, Jess. Yung red. To kill that. You're gonna die from the kaboom. Jackson, stop! It's a monster. We have no choice but to kill you. Aray! Ala, ginapatay ako ni Jackson. My goodness. My boy, aray. Dalhon natin mo sa fire, Jess, sa fire dito. Dito. Come. No? You're not gonna die? How?
Ako mag-die.
Me too. It's still locked. Okay, what's the plan? Aray! Oh my god! William, stop! Goodness gracious! Oh my god! Two brothers in one! Aray, aray, aray! Wait, wait, wait! Wait lang. Jess, get in the car! Get in the car! Aray! Jess! Ah! Oh, William. Ano? I died. It feels so cool. Aw, haron yung paman just the susi. It car. I think ito na lang the last. Hala, start over na naman. Ayoko na.
Bro, lupot yung ako sa...
Kaya natin to. Nasaan na ba yung smashed?
Putang agit life.
Kakauting it live. Jess, ara, may medkit. Siya talaga yung gusto.
Wait lang, di ko.
Jess, favorite ka na talaga. Yeah, just saying, Jess. Dalhin mo sa red. Sa red. Take the medkit, take the medkit. I will distract it from the eyes.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay.
Kuha ka pa nag-isa yun kasi ikaw matulaan tayo.
No. Ayaw galing mo. I have no medkit. Ay, wag mo namang smack yung car namin, no? One more, I think one more smack.
Ano sa'yo, wag kamay ah.
Is it? Jackson, no! My goodness. Just, i-distract mo mo. I will get the key. No, William. No, no. Just, agton sa car. Agton sa car. Sa passenger car. Passenger car. Oh my god. Hindi ko pa enable. Diyos ko, Lord, why?
Ouch.
Jess, we have to do something.
Yeah!
Jess, mamamatay na ako, Jess. Agton sa car.
Ako man.
Agton sa car.
Di ba? Di ako sa
Karon-
kakuha ka ba?
Sojun. Oh my god. No, 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 no.
Ouch.
Get in, get in, get in, get in. Get in! Get in! Ah!
Nakasakay ko siya.
Dito, ikaw, get in. Get in. Ah! Oh my god. Jess, you're stressing me.
Di ako masakay.
Hindi ka makasakay. Oh god.
Sakay.
Oh my god. My goodness gracious. I can still save you. Aray. Yes, we need a plan. What's the plan?
Di ba? Ay, kapit. Kaman. Sorry.
Okay. We can do this. The plano dyan say, pila lang dyan sa imong imong health. Like, pila la to gid. Check, pinutay mo inventory, tapos may gapapa pra yun niya niya health.
Wala pa din pa makita. Loading.
Okay.
100.
300?
100.
100? Then you must...
Yes.
That's the key. Ay, what ang naging smack? Ting take na ning life, wa man.
Sure.
Okay.
Tarawan.
Are you sure? Just distract Jackson. I will take the key. Distract him. No, William. Just get ready to go to the... wait lang, wag na muna. Wait, wala akong enable. Okay, we're good to go. Just dito this.
Parang yan, Sujun.
No.
Ayok.
Ay, Sojun.
Sujun! Ayok.
Sojun. Oh my god. This is painful to watch.
Magtay doon sa kapatid.
Kara, ikaw Diyos, oh. Kara. Kara ka. Go. Go. Aray.
Napalipot.
Ang galing nila. What?
Ay, John. Ayun.
Ang sipag nila.
Yeah!
William. My goodness, William. So, just.
Ito tayo
Ay, naubo na ako ay. Just, gina-ambush ka na. Just, Sir John! Jess, pwede di ka rin ikaw magsuwod. Kara?
Sige. Ako tayo.
Na doon na yun ang lamunan. Go! No! Ano? Ayun.
Bawal pa niya.
Okay, Jess. Dito, go. Go. Ay, before they kill us. Goodbye, Jackson.
In folks, we are getting live updates that a large barn fire has been spotted by police as they were investigating the Cottonwood disappearances. Police are moving in to assess the situation. It is currently unclear if the fire is related to the disappearances. It could just be very lucky that police were in the area and able to catch it. The head of police
My
commented,
goodness gracious.
We're doing firefighters like this all the time. There's absolutely no possible
Oh, look, the cows.
to be linked to anything remotely incriminating.
Ay, nako, nakaka-torture. Harang the helicopter just so yung nakita ko sa taas. Ay, they missed us. Why? Wala, no turning back daw. Ay, thank you very much, Kit Jess. Ay, nako, nahapot ang... Grabe, nakaka-tortured, ah. Yes. Salamat, tapos na rin. Or is it tapos na? Tapos na ba talaga? Yan yung gusto kong malaman.
Wala ka. Nag-quit na ako.
Wait lang. Slowly, nag-fade. Ano nangyari? What's happening? Wala na ba? No more cutscene?
Hello, June?
Yay! About just the playtime nato like 3 hours. 21 deaths. 109 hits taken. Heal use is 13. Coins found ay 3 out of 20. Yay. GG gid.